Welcome to the SME 2-minute drill, where we cover a ThoughtSpot feature in 2 minutes or less. In this video, we're covering the replay search feature. The clock is running, so let's get started. So replay search allows you to take a visualization from a pinboard and essentially see a replay of the search from when the data source got chosen all the way to the finished product. So looking at this map, I see the lowest performing stores from last year. I don't really know what lowest performing means. Now, I could copy and edit this search to get the full picture, but there's maybe some styling options or some things that I want to see, like what data sources were chosen. So I can go ahead and click the 3 dots and then replay my search. So this is going to go and take me back to the search menu. And you can see here that the first thing it's going to do is it's going to go through and it's going to say, choose the sources. So it's already on the executive dashboard, the worksheet we were at. It's going to pull up the list of fields. Now that it has that, it's going to start replaying the search straight from the search bar. So you can see that this is pretty useful in being able to get into the mind of the developer who built out that specific search, see the process that they went through to get there, as well as any data options or customization options that may have been chosen. So if you would like to follow along with our 2-minute drill, you can download this exact data set from our website at the link below. Until next time, this has been a SME 2-minute drill for ThoughtSpot.